Hello everyone, today we will be discussing GST type 2 based questions. In these questions we have to find out the amount of tax received by the state government or central government, amount of tax paid by shopkeeper or dealer to state government or central government, and amount paid by consumer. So question is manufacturer manufacturer sells an article to dealer for rupees 18,000 and dealer sells it to consumer at a profit of 1500. Means dealer is purchasing at rupees 18,000 and selling at rupees 19,500. Now, dealer purchases an article from manufacturer, so he will pay tax, input tax. Dealer is selling this article to consumer, so he will receive tax, output tax. Split up into two equal taxes, SGST because the sales are intrastate, SGST and CGST, SGST and CGST. So total tax is given 12% under GST. So 6% will go to state government, 6% will go to the central government. So input tax 6% of purchasing price 18,000. 1080 input SGST, input CGST. Similarly, when we have to find out the SGST of output tax, so output tax will be on the selling price, means 19,500. One one seven zero. Now what we have to find out in this question? Tax paid by dealer to state government. So dealer will pay tax to state government is output SGST minus input SGST. Tax paid by dealer to state government 1080. So he will pay 90 rupees. In the second part we have to find out tax paid by dealer to central government. Tax paid by dealer to central government. Same, output CGST minus input CGST. 1170 minus 1080, same 90. Now, what we have to find out in the third part, tax received by the central government. By central government. Central government will receive tax from two persons, manufacturer and dealer. Manufacturer and dealer. So manufacturer will give tax to central government 1080, this amount what he got from the dealer, and the dealer will pay the difference, output CGST minus input CGST. Output CGST is 1170, input CGST is 1080. So the total tax received by the central government would be 1170. Right? Now in the fourth part, amount paid by consumer. Amount paid by consumer. So consumer will pay 19500 exclusive of tax, plus he will pay the tax also, that is output tax. So 19500 plus 1170 plus 1170 equals to 21840. So this would be the amount paid by the consumer. So these are the 4 parts which we have to find out in the type 2 questions, right? Now move on to the another question of type 2. Now in this question, wholesaler gives 30% discount to retailer. 30% discount to retailer. The mark price of the article is 6,000 rupees. So 30% discount of 6,000. So dealer gets a discount of 1800 from wholesaler, means he receives the article at rupees 4200. Now dealer gives 10% discount to consumer on the mark price. So 10% of 6,000 is 600 rupees, means he sells the article to consumer at rupees 5400. Now he will give tax to wholesaler, input tax. He receives tax from consumer, output tax. Divided into 2 parts, SGST and CGST. SGST and CGST. So total tax is given 5%. So 2.5% of 4200 and 2.5% of 4200 for CGST. Similarly, 2.5% of the selling price 5400, 2.5% of 5400 for CGST, right? So when we remove this decimal, 5 times, 2 times, 21 times, 105, same as for CGST. Similarly, when we solve this, 5 2 times, 227 times, 135. So 135 is for CGST as well, right? Now let's see what we have to find out in this. We have to find out first part, amount paid by consumer. Amount paid by consumer. So consumer will pay 5400 exclusive of tax plus this output tax. 5400 plus output tax is 135 plus 135. So it will be 5670. In the second part, we have to find out amount of tax paid by the dealer to state government. So dealer to state government. So it will be output SGST minus input SGST. Output SGST is 135, input SGST is 105. So the tax paid by dealer to state government is 30. In the third part of this question, tax received by the central government. So again, central will take tax from these two people, wholesaler and dealer. Wholesaler will pay tax to central government 105 plus dealer will again pay the difference, output CGST minus input CGST. So it will be 105 plus 135 minus 105. So 105 cancels out. So the amount of tax received by the central government is 135 rupees. So we have to find out the three parts of this question.